Per Inside EVs, Tesla has shifted some Cybertruck production staff to Model Y assembly. In December 2024, Cybertruck workers at Tesla's Austin factory were surveyed about switching roles. Not enough volunteered, leading to some being reassigned to Model Y production. Cybertruck demand slowed after initial success as America's best-selling electric pickup in the second quarter of 2024. In December, Cybertruck workers were asked to stay home for 3 days due to reduced production needs. Tesla hopes demand will stabilize in 2025 as the Cybertruck qualifies for a $7,500 federal tax credit. Lease prices were also lowered to $899 per month for the dual motor and $999 for the tri-motor versions. Model Y remains a top priority for Tesla, likely to be the world's best-selling vehicle for the second consecutive year. The refreshed Model Y, featuring a physical turn signal stalk, is expected to drive even higher demand. Meanwhile, Tesla is offering free lifetime supercharging for unsold Cybertrucks in inventory to boost sales. You are listening to UON News.